G'day, here's a large piece of Boulder Opal, basically being sold as a specimen. You could use it for a base for a gem tree or something like that, or mount a little sculpture on perhaps or something. I'll zoom in. Okay, basically it's almost too big to put on the screen all at once. You could cut it up and make a few pendants out of it if you wanted to, but like I say, it'd be good to have as a base for a little sculpture, a little bronze or something perhaps. It's got a bit of fire in it, not a lot here, and especially over here, a little eye of colour, but this little bit of brown here would grind off if you wanted to do that. The rest of it hasn't really probably got any colour in it. Bit of a flush of opal there, but no colour in it. There is a vein here. It's up to you what you'd like to do with it, but I think just keep it as a specimen. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.